Start by taking off all the screws and components from the bottom. You can take off any component from the bottom you like first, it does not matter the order you take them off. In this case we are taking off the hard drive. Then we are removing the PCI and RAM compartment, then we are taking off the battery. Note: you can take the memory RAM and PCI module out or leave it there and take them off later. Keep taking off all the screws from the bottom. Important: note the position of the antenna leads before detaching the wires from the terminals. Now detach the antenna leads from the PCI module. Keep taking off all the screws from the bottom. Gently lift the switch cover up. Lift the keyboard frame until both cable connectors are accessible. Then release the cables by pulling them out of their slots. Remove the screws holding down the motherboard. Disconnect the cable from the system board. Remove the PCI wires. Remove the screws that secure the screen to the computer. Lift the screen straight up and remove it. Then gently lift the palm rest towards you. Remove the final screw holding the motherboard in place. Then we need to remove a few more cables. Take out the memory RAM and the PCI module. Remove the CD/DVD drive connector from the motherboard. Lift and remove the motherboard from the lower case. To remove the heatsink, remove the marked screws and remove the fan's power cable. And that's how to disassemble an HP Pavilion. Reverse these steps for reassembly.